and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop quick tip. Today we've got one here that most people overlook in their day-to-day edits and working with their photos, and that is bit depth. Not a sexy topic by no means, but when you're working with quality photos and you want to turn around and get the very best out of your photos, bit depth matters tremendously. Okay, and so I'm just going to give you an example here. We'll do a mock-up of bit depth. Now here I want you to take a look at this photo here. On the left here, you'll notice we have an 8-bit capture, and on the right we have a 16-bit. Notice how the gradient is so much smoother on this side, and look at all the banding on this side. Okay, you can see the banding and the lines in this side. Okay, that's because 8-bit doesn't provide enough to do the gradients and smoothing and provide the detail that we want within an image. And so I tell everybody, if you're going to do photo editing, you've got to edit your photos in at least 16-bit. Okay, so just get in the habit, set it once, and then forget it. So you say, well, how do I set Photoshop up to edit in 16-bit? Can't be any easier. Okay, so if you go to Bridge, okay, and you just pick one of your photos in your library, and you double-click, and it's going to open up. This is a raw image, so it's going to open up in Camera Raw first. And you'll see right here, okay, great, I'm ready. I did my edits. I'm going to go into Photoshop. Now, before we do, this is where we make one-time change, and it will stay in the system once we make it. Look down here. You see it says here, Adobe RGB 8-bit. Okay? That's the whole thing. Click that. Now, we have a dialog box here where we can set our preferences up, saying, no, 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 don't go to 8-bit anymore. I want you to go to 16-bit. Okay? Select that to 16-bit. I still recommend you do Adobe RGB. Okay? But if you wanted to go even higher, okay, you could go to Pro Photo RGB. But for my purposes, I find Adobe RGB color space just to be just fine. Okay? The default's 300 dpi, and 16-bit is the important thing. And then you just simply open. And now the image is going to be opened up with this when we open the image. We hit the open, and look right here across the top. You can see it's a DNG file, and it's got the 16 at the end. That means it is a 16-bit image. And now you can go ahead and do your edits, get all your detail, and you're going to notice a difference in your editing, I guarantee you. Okay, you're going to be seeing differences in your edits. Okay? Look at the hair on the facials, the hairlines here on the side, details in the eyes. You're going to notice it, trust me. Okay? And your edits are going to be that much better. So that's it. Just a quick tip today. I just wanted to get you in the habit. Get in the habit of making all your photo edits in 16-bit, and I think you're really going to be happy with the results in the end. Okay? Till next week, you guys take care.